Well, yes, let's start with a whole host of companies that have reported operational updates for the quarter gone by, and Concor, or Container Corporation of India, has reported solid set of operational updates for the second quarter, where total throughput has come in at about 14.4 lakh TEUs, an uptick of nearly 10.5% on a year-on-year basis. Export-import throughput is up 9%. Domestic throughput has also seen a solid uptick of nearly 17% on a year-on-year basis. So, very strong set of operational updates that Container Corporation of India has reported. Senco Gold, meanwhile, largely in line with street expectations, where revenue saw growth of 6.5% YOY in the second quarter. But the outlook on consumer demand for the third and the fourth quarter of this year continues to remain very positive. So, the management commentary and outlook is very positive, although the operational data for the quarter gone by is steady. 6.5% YOY growth is what the company has reported for the second quarter. Prestige Estates, meanwhile, again a very strong set from this real estate player, where second quarter pre-sales have risen by a solid 50% on a year-on-year basis, and they've already achieved the total guidance for the full year in the first half of the year itself, where they reported highest ever first half sales of about 18,150 odd crores. So, very strong set of operational update that Prestige Estates has reported. Sattvic Green Energy, a recently listed counter, has reported its numbers, very strong set of numbers for them as well. Revenue is up 3 times on a year-on-year basis. EBITDA margins have come in at 19.3%. versus 13.2% that the company had reported same time last year. EBITDA and net profit have also seen a massive growth on a year-on-year basis. So, very strong set of numbers that Sattvic Green Energy has reported. Escorts Kubota, meanwhile, on the back of their investment, where they said that they will be investing about 2,000 crore by 2031. This is for their Haryana unit, and this is for agriculture and construction equipment sector. So, 2,000 crore investment is what Escorts Kubota has announced. And lastly, let's also talk about Lupin, where they've announced plans for setting up a new state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. This is in Coral Springs, United States. This will be done with an investment of $250 million US, which will be done over the period of next 5 years. So, on the back of this investment update that has come in, keep an eye out on Lupin as well.
Thank you so much, Ashisha, for getting us all those details. But with this, let's also tell you which are some of the other counters that you should be watching out for in today's trading session. And first up is HFCL, as the company has actually won export orders worth over 300 crores. That's a new order win for the company, where they say that this is for the supply of optical fiber cables. This is for one of their overseas subsidiaries, but for a renowned international customer. So, positive news flow for this particular counter. IRB Inwit, a news flow coming in as the company has launched a QIP with a floor price of 62.7 per unit, and they have also approved the fundraising of over 1,000 crores through a preferential issue of its unit. Coal India as well as Ircon are going to be in focus today, as both of these companies have actually gone ahead and executed a non-binding MOU for the development of rail infrastructure of Coal India's and its subsidiaries. And along with that, all eyes will be on GR Infra as well, as the company has received a letter of acceptance from State Highways Authorities of Jharkhand of 290 crores of an order win. Now, GRSC as well as Centum Electronics are going to be in focus as well, because Centum Electronics and GRSC forged partnership to co-develop the indigenous advanced navigation system for Indian Navy, and Info Edge has actually come out with its Q2 update. So, we will be watching out for, because the company said that the standalone billing is standing at 729 crores, and that's a jump of over 12% on a YY basis. And within the auto pack, Eicher Motors will be in focus, because Eicher Motors and VECV as well as Volvo, they both have come out with a capex plan where they plan to manufacture Volvo Group's industry-leading automated manual transmission VECV. JV between Volvo Group and Eicher Motors announced an investment of over 540 crores for the production and final assembly of the Volvo Group's automated manual transmission. So, all of these counters are something that we will be watching out for.
Absolutely, Srishi. Lots of counters to watch out for, and let's see how they pan out. But on that note, we'll take a very short break. Be right